What's up, guys? And today, me and krmbrm, he has a new account. We're gonna be 1v1ing in Animal Rivals. We haven't done this in like 5 years, basically.
Not 5 years, no.
Yeah, let's hop straight into it. By the way, we're gonna be showing around in the new winter update. For some reason, I can't hold the camera. We are gonna be showing around in the new winter update. It's like really cool. Look at this. I'm gonna turn the camera around.
So guys, we might do some I Am Cat videos if they have the tablet.
Yeah.
And we're gonna buy Animal Company. I'm not Animal Company.
Yeah, I Am Cat. Since they have
multiplayer.
Yeah. And multiplayer is sick. Especially in I Am Cat, you could juke the grandma's ankles.
Yeah, but the multiplayer is like different, you know. So guys, like and subscribe before this goes in your face, you know.
Okay, get him, let's
get person.
First person.
Then click the X button. First person, then X button. In Animal Company, in Animal Rivals, it's different. So you could just click X.
Oh, okay. I clicked X on my freaking controller.
Come on, you're actually so fat.
Like, you always have to go with the red light for festive.
No.
Festive look. Okay, so I'm gonna be destroying him in trenches. Wait, we have to do trenches.
No, cemetery.
Trenches, please.
We're not going back to World War II. Okay.
Yes, we are.
Okay, fine. I'll do it.
Match starting.
By the way, quick update. I got just a bit better in girl tag movement. I'm not like a pro like krmbrm. Oh, 57.
This guy is so fat right now.
I know your next move.
Where the hell is this thing?
Ankles?
No. Shoot. Ankle.
Dead!
Ow! You shot me through the wall!
No, your hand was sticking out and I shot it. Wait, am I in first person? No, I was in third person.
I feel weird.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
For some reason my leg doesn't hurt.
Oh my god, no. I choked so hard.
Round start.
Am I still in third person? No, I'm first person.
Reload. This guy's under us. He's behind me.
No, he's not.
A lot of heat. Wrong. I'm not joking. Free.
What?
Free.
From where? Dead.
Free.
Dead. Dead.
Round starting.
No, I'm 1 HP. I'm actually 1 HP.
If he didn't move last second, he would have done.
No!
Yes!
It's 2-2.
Why is he naked? He's freaking naked.
I'm so washed in Animal Rivals. Actually. What?
This guy's getting aim-bited from 5 miles away. Doesn't know.
No, I headshot sniped him with a grenade for some reason.
Oh, I was 1 HP, I think. Guys, if you didn't know, I was blind.
Round starting.
I have way longer arms. Like every time I'm doing this, I'm not even using my. This is me using my wrist.
Somehow this guy knows how to do long arms.
It is a new one.
What?
Yeah!
Oh hell no! I hit him 5 times, like 1,500 times with a headshot, and he still didn't die.
Round
But
starting.
I died when he kept body shotting
This
me.
guy begged.
79 damage. Okay, okay. Oh my god,
And he's losing right now.
that's crazy damage.
This is he.
If I lose this,
Oh, open.
okay. I was about to lose that. I was 96 HP. I was 96 HP.
I was 1 HP from the start. This guy.
Round starting.
Where is he? No! What the hell? You scared me so hard. I missed so many shots.
Yes! Yes!
I missed like 5,000 shots. Happy New Year's! By the way, Happy New Year's. Very much. Bro, I haven't seen this game in 1 year.
Okay, that's not even that funny, bro. What the?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes! I hate the cemetery map. From my past Animal Rival videos,
Starting.
you know that I hate cemetery.
Round starting.
Yeah, because I suck at it.
Bad. Actually.
50?
I'm not joking.
I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck.
I keep a lot of heat. Like,
What the hell? It goes. Oh my god.
This guy's reporting. Okay, his name is Mazim Bazim, and he's so fat. Like, report him for being fat. Like,
Shut up! I completely missed that, but somehow it did damage. Oh!
Thank you!
Get beamed!
So hard. Just so hard.
It's 2-0 for me. I cannot choke
Round
this.
starting.
How much damage? 24?
Ow! I run right into this. It's okay.
I'm behind you.
It's okay. It's okay.
What? No, that's just crazy. How do you climb this? Do you like grip it? The grip
And I hit the
button?
on him.
Round starting.
Boom.
Oh!
Why does this take so long to detonate? Oh! Aimbot! I need one more win. Then it's match point.
Round starting.
Guys, I'm trying to quit the stupid grenade explosion. Holy mackerel! I hate this map. This guy's rage baiting myself by voting him out. That's insane. This guy's gay. He's okay. Guys, it's okay.
I knew you were there from the
Guys,
beginning.
guys! Ah!
Oh my god. He's low-key destroying me for some reason. Over here, over here, over here.
Round starting.
He's right there. He's right there. I know it. I just know it. Yes, I knew it.
Guys, this guy aimbots me with his damn grenade launcher. Guys, just report this guy for spamming.
Yes!
Ah!
I need one more point.
Round starting.
Boom. No!
Ah! Yeah. Come on, everybody! Gino!
No! If I didn't miss that one bullet, that one bullet decided everything. I missed it.
Round starting.
Wait, I know his strat. I know his strat. I know his strat. I know his strat now. I know his strat. I know his strat. I know his strategy. I know his strategy. I know it. I know it. I finally know it. Sudden death. Okay, I don't care.
Round starting.
I'm already here. I'm already here. What? What? No, this is actually rigged. This is actually rigged. This is actually rigged. No, this is rigged.
It's okay.
This is so rigged. No.
Well, I'm gonna change my weapons real quick.
How's this video already 10 minutes long?
How did I clutch that? How? How the hell did I clutch up?
I don't think festive luck is good.
This guy's rage baiting. This guy thinks he knows my strats. Change strats. This guy should have been talking, so he would have won. I didn't
Shut
know he
up!
knows my
Shut
strats.
up!
Then
Shut
he
up!
would have died.
Shut up!
Then I would have died.
Get into
This
the
guy is so
get into the thing before the video has to end.
No.
It's already 10 minutes long, you dipshit.
Okay. My pet Raleigh. Thought and I wouldn't admit this money. Guys, we just clutched up so hard. This guy got razor baited. Like,
Okay, get in.
guys, I'm gonna rage bait this guy with my.
Okay, we'll see what weapon he has now. Get in!
Wait.
Bro, that is so trash.
This guy sucks so hard. Guys, I wombo combo this guy until his life came out of his soul.
What? Okay, how do I do gunner rappers?
Like Pet Raleigh.
Okay, come on! This video is 13 minutes long. We can't, I don't think we could keep doing it. It's literally he got mic banned. This dude got mic banned. He got voice chat banned. He got voice chat banned. It's literally 5 a.m. This dude got voice chat banned. This is the craziest morning ever. Okay, well that's the end of the video. No wonder why I was trash, because it's 5 a.m. in freaking Germany and I'm supposed to be asleep, but it's 5 a.m. and I made a video. So that wasn't quite the best performance. He got voice chat banned because he's an idiot. Bye. Like and subscribe to both of us.